How to connect an accelerometer to Arduino. In this video I will show you how to connect a GY-61 accelerometer to an Arduino and read acceleration values on all three axes. The module has 5 pins: VCC, ground, X, Y and Z. VCC goes to 5 volts, ground goes to ground, X to A0, Y to A1, Z to A2. The code reads the 3 analog pins and converts the raw values to G-force. At 5 volts the sensor outputs around 1.65 volts at 0G, which maps to roughly 512 in analogRead. Each G of acceleration shifts that by about 96 counts. Upload the sketch and open the serial monitor. Tilt the module and you'll see the values change on each axis. Flat on the table, Z should read close to 1G, that's gravity. The output is not super precise compared to digital sensors like MPU6050, but it's simple, needs no I2C setup and works with any microcontroller that has analog inputs. There's code on my website and GitHub, and if you have further questions you can even join the Discord group. Bye!